Welcome to Mini Recipes, quick, easy and delicious. Today we're going to learn again how to make this fantastic, nice peanut and potato fry. For making this, first add some oil and add peanuts. In this add chana dal. Once the chana dals also start getting cooked, in this add cumin seeds, some urad dal. Keep frying them for a minute and then add small cut pieces of potatoes. If you use the chip potatoes, the starchy potatoes what I talk about, they will come nice and crispy. But you can also use the regular potatoes what you have at home. And in this add crushed garlic, add some turmeric and add curry leaves. These curry leaves also will get crispy once you keep frying. When this is done, you get the right texture. Add some cumin powder, add some coriander powder and add some chili powder. Also add the desiccated coconut. Add salt and keep mixing it till you get that nice fried coconut powder flavor. Finish it off by adding some chopped coriander. The dish is ready. The crunchy peanuts and the potatoes also. Wow. And usually what I do, even at parties when they put this, I kind of move the vegetables because all the crunchies, the urad dal, the chana dal will be at the bottom. So, this is what you do when you know about the food. So, pick up all the crunchy ones, eat it with sambar, eat it with anything, even with chapati pulkas you can enjoy it. But preferably with curd rice, sambar rice, this is amazing. When you eat this, you got to say, Vareva, because amazingly tasty and perfect. We're going to actually marry the great flavors of green chili, spinach, and we're going to make a dal. Dal is just to give a little bit of boost, but this is so super delicious. For this, we're going to use the nice hot mustard oil. Mustard oil, always when you pour it into a pan, you have to bring it to a smoking point. Add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds dance in the oil and crackle, now we're going to add some cumin seeds. And in this, I love to add garlic, so I'm adding a little extra crushed garlic. You want this garlic to slightly color and add some chopped onions. And these chopped onions, you can fry it in this oil till they sweat. Now to this, add 10 green chilies. In lot of times when I add the green chilies, lot of them that is to bring in the flavor. Also add a little bit of nutmeg powder. In this add turmeric and now add the chopped spinach. So this spinach has got such awesome nutrients. So just saute it a little bit. Once the spinach gets slightly fried in the mustard oil, add some water to this and bring this to a boil. I already boiled some toor dal till it is almost mashed up, but add this to the spinach and again bring it to a nice boil and adjust the salt. By now you will get these nice flavors from this dal and you will really fall in love with this kind of preparations. Basically in the Kashmir and all that, I've eaten lot of spinach with mustard oil. They add green peas to it and very very tasty. We'll learn those recipes later, but this dal is super tasty. So let's go ahead and taste it. I love the garlic, I told you, and the green, the spinach and that nutmeg flavor. And the green chili, pick up the green chili. Damn it, I love the green chili here. There is still a little bit of crunch in the green chili. They are not hot, they are just super tasty. Make it and you will just love it. No spices, no masalas, just awesomeness.